Hi everybody, it's Lavinia. Welcome to my channel. In today's video, I am going to be doing an unboxing and swatching of these acrylic markers. They're the Master's Touch Hobby Lobby brand. There's 24 colors and it's a 2.0 millimeter tip. And it has a list of colors here. I've never tried them before. I've never tried acrylic markers. I don't have them. So I thought I would try them in my mixed media sketchbook as well as in my black paper sketchbook and just see what they look like. So I will pause the video and we will take a look. All right, so taking them out of the plastic box, it does say that the regular price is $29.99. However, I bought them this week when they were on sale at 40% off, so they came out to about $17 and change. So let's take a look here. I'm hoping that they have the names listed on it, which it doesn't look like it does. So it just has acrylic marker. Here's the cap and the bottom end. So let's see. So that's the purple. This one looks like it's a sky blue, maybe. I'm just going to go ahead and keep them in the order that I take them out. This one here is a darker blue. Let's take a look. It says you can use them on fabric, on rock, on metal, paper, obviously, canvas. So that's almost like a turquoise blue. Here's another blue. So there's a variety of colors. There's a coloring book that I want to get that is pictures with dots. So the pictures are just made up of dots, and I thought this would be kind of cool to maybe try on that. Here's another blue. So this looks like a royal blue. So it doesn't leave streaks, at least on this particular paper. This is also the Master's Touch mixed media paper. This looks like a seafoam green. That's nice too. Here's another green. Like a spring, I would call this like a spring green. Again, they really take nicely to this mixed media paper. I wonder if they seep through. Let's take a look. Nope, they're not seeping through on this paper. This looks like a bluish green, maybe a teal is what I would call this. And I know Hobby Lobby sells its alcohol markers open stocks. I wonder if they sell these open stock. So this is a light beige. This looks like a brown. I'm going to try this in one of my coloring books too. So as you can see, it's like a bullet tip. So this looks like it's a light gray. Just don't know if it's the tip maybe was a little bit dry, or if that's just the lightness of the color. Maybe it's just the color. This is black. Nice rich black. I also wonder if they layer. There is no smell like, you know, like alcohol markers have that alcohol smell. Oh, this is white, which I can see it here on this cream toned paper. See it right there. So that's the first 12 or 13. Now here's yellow. Nice cheery yellow. This looks like it's a neon yellow. There's that. So as you can see, as it dries, it gets a little bit darker, at least this particular yellow. These markers would, these colors here would be nice for skin tones. I want to see again how they layer, if they layer. Orange. This looks like it would be red. It's almost like a pinkish red. This could almost, I would call it maybe like a light terracotta. This is a dusty rose is what it reminds me of. Like a vintage rose. And I'll show it to you up close as soon as I'm done with these last few. Here's pink. Like a powder pink. Not sure what I'd call this, maybe a true pink compared to that one. This one looks like it would be a lavender. Yep. Lavender, light purple. And then this looks like it is a darker purple. Maybe a grape. And this purple is much darker. So here again are the colors. It fairly matches the caps, but I like to swatch them so that I know for sure, you know, how the colors are. Just this light gray. I might try that one again just to see. Okay, that's better coverage than that one there. Let's see if I layer, maybe if I layer this yellow with the blue. Let's pick this blue here. Yeah, it turns into a green, but you can still see, it could be the paper too, but it is turning into a greenish hue there. What about, I'm kind of curious. Let's try black with white on top, and then maybe white with black on top. Just curious about that. Where's the white? Here it is. So you can do that and then maybe use it more for grays. Hoping that'll come out. I imagine it will, but that's kind of cool. Okay, and then let's see if I do here white with black on top. Not really much of a difference. The black is overpowering it, but so again, here are the colors. So there's black, cool gray, okay, coffee, beige, peacock green. So this is the peacock green. Let's see, light green, turquoise, navy, phthalo blue, lake blue, sky blue, violet. So this is the lavender. All right, so they call this one magenta, pastel pink. So this one is salmon pink, red orange, yellow ochre, lemon yellow, pale yellow, and then the white. So those are the colors that are in here. So again, let's take a look here at the back side. So no seep through, even where I did the double. This is where I layered them, so no seep through there. So that's it on that. Again, I'm just kind of curious. I might try some of the lighter colors just to see how they might show up here on in the black sketchbook. Oh, that's nice. That's nice. Oh, so this is definitely nice even on the black paper. You may have to go over it a couple of times because you can see a little bit through there, but this is nice. So I think I'm going to enjoy this more on the black paper than on the white paper or the cream color paper. Let me see. I want to try one of the dark colors. Let's try this darker blue. Yep, so that stands out as well. And let's see this. They call this indigo. Yep, so again, it stands out. Let's see if I were to, just out of curiosity, the black too. Right there. I'll try the white. So I think I will have fun with these. This is that gray. Yeah, so you can see here, it probably just needed to be used. So I'm liking these. So these are the acrylic markers from Master's Touch. I haven't used any of the brands, so I can't compare and say this is better than another one or the other one is better than this. But there you go. So stay tuned, because eventually I will be using these either to make drawings or to use them in my one of my coloring books, and we'll see how it goes there. So thanks so much for watching, everyone. I hope you like, share, and subscribe, and I will see you soon. Take care. Bye.